Today, I use sweet potatoes to share a dish. It tastes soft, waxy, and sweet. Soft and easy to digest. Adults and children love to eat it after it comes out of the pot. Let's see how I do it. Let's prepare a sweet potato first. After washing, peel it off. Cut into thick slices. The thinner, the better. It's easier to steam. After cutting, put it on a plate. Put it in the steamer. Close the lid. Steam on high heat for 12 minutes. It's steamed now. A poke with chopsticks can easily penetrate double gluten. It's steamed, take it out. Pour into a larger bowl. Add a spoonful of sugar. Mash sweet potatoes with sticks. Add an appropriate amount of glutinous rice flour. Stir it into a flocculent with chopsticks. After stirring, start kneading him into a smooth and softer dough. Just put this state on it. After kneading, move it on the panel and rub it into a long strip. Divide into equal-sized dough. Take a dough, pinch it a few times with your hands. It makes the dough softer. The buns are not easy to crack. Knead into a circle. Press flat with your hands. Press into a pie. This is my homemade bean paste filling. If anyone wants to learn, you can leave me a message. Share next time. Wrap in bean paste. Tiger mouth turns and closes. Pinch the closure tightly to prevent filling leakage. And you flatten it and you make a pie. In this way, we will do it well as a stranger. Electric cake pan brushes oil when heated. Put in the competition one by one. Cover and bake for a minute. When the time is up, turn it over and brand the other side. Sweet potatoes are very high in sugar. It burns easily, so we need to keep turning over, baked until golden on both sides. The bulging of the cake indicates that it is ripe. The whole journey takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The fragrant sweet potato glutinous rice cake is ready. Golden color. They all look very tempting. Have appetite. Be sure to eat it while it's hot after it's out of the pot. The epidermis will be a little crispy. It tastes very good. Bean paste stuffed inside. It tastes soft, waxy, and sweet. Soft and easy to digest. Friends who like it, remember to like it, collect it, and follow it. Thanks for your support. See you next time.